How to copy a comment on your Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to copy a comment on Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are here on For You page and you find the video you want, go to comments, and once you find the comment you want, all you need to do is keep long press on the screen, which means keep clicking on the comment you want, and you're gonna find the copy, which is the second option. Click on it. Now click on write and try to pass this comment. So this is it, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.